Yeah, everyone, good evening to all. I hope you are doing well. And in this video, I'm going to tell you something important. What happened 2 days ago, and I want to share really story. 2 days ago, I went to ice cream parlor, and that time I had craving to eat ice cream. I don't know why. Winter season going on, and that day, like, I had craving to eat ice cream, and I was thinking, like, Lavanya, you have to go and eat ice cream. And I went that ice cream parlor, and I had my ice cream. And when I had my ice cream, so I saw my dream car. Yeah, and I saw my dream car, and I told myself, like, I touched that car. And when you will touch 2 times, and then you will definitely achieve your car. So I touched once, and then I again touched two. I touched 2 times. And then what happened? I told Sai Baba, please Sai Baba, you will support, and then I really want to buy that car. And what happened? Suddenly a man, he chasing me, and he told, stop. And then I stopped my scooty, and he told, what's your name? My name is Lavanya. I said to his, my name is Lavanya. And what do you do, by the way? He told. He asked. And then I said to his, like, I'm a teacher. I just tell a lie. The reason is I don't want to say about my business, about my, whatever I have. And then he told, I will definitely support you. This is my number. You have to keep this number, and you will call when you will wake up. I'm talking about morning. When you will wake up, Lavanya, and then you will call. I will definitely support you to achieve your dream car. And what happened that time I was thinking, like, what kind of people there were, like, just they are, saying whatever they have in mind. So why he said to me, like, I'll support you? Because I think, yeah, why? The reason is he's a Reliance Finance manager, so that's why he told me. And I was thinking, like, it's okay, yaar, why I called that person. And then that card, and then I kept that card, and I just threw in dustbin. Yeah, why I called that person. And why I told that story, the reason is, if you really want to improve your spoken English, yes, I'm talking about English, so you have to say whatever you have. Like, I'm talking about whatever story you have to say. Yeah, because when you will say story, day by day you will improve your English. Yeah. And why I'm here, I'm talking about garden. Why I'm in the garden? Because I really want to fight my fear. There are a number of people, but still I'm making video. Why? Because I really want to fight my fear, and I trying to make good video without any hesitation. And if you want to achieve something good, something important, you have goal, like big goal, so you have to push yourself. Like, it's time to think only on myself. Yeah, and then you will definitely achieve your goal. And why I'm every video, I'm when it's come to the English, when it's come to the whatever video, so that time I'm just thinking about only goal, and I'm just talking about only goal. The reason is, what happened, guys, when you really want to achieve your goal, so just we are thinking, just we are talking with our friends, Just we are, watching some video, whatever video I'm talking about related to your goal. So that time, just we are thinking, we are watching. And what about effort? If you want to really that goal, so you have to do little things. I'm talking about little, I'm not talking about big thing. And brick by brick, you will achieve your goal. Yeah, you have to start something small, micro. I'm talking about something micro, whatever. Like whatever, like you have something good. Like I want to become a teacher, so you have to teach yourself. You don't have student, it's okay, doesn't matter. But you have courage to do. Okay, and why I'm talking about courage? Because when you will do again and again, over and over, and then you will master it. Because what happened now? Sometimes we are thinking about our career, just we are thinking, but we are doing nothing. When you will do, when you will start your small things, and then you will achieve. I'm talking about, if you want to achieve your goal, so you have to set a good roadmap. Like suppose you want to drive a car. Okay, you want to drive a car and you don't know clutch, you don't know where is steering, you don't know where is what I'm talking about, seat belt, but still you want to drive a car. So first you have to know little basic things, like yes, I want to drive a car, but how? So first I have to know basic things and then I'll hit the road. You have to say like this, isn't it? Yeah. So again, we are talking about story, small story. And why I said that story, the reason is I want to become a teacher. And if you also want to, whatever goal you have, so you have to prepare yourself. Like yes, I'll start little thing. Like you have to say, like today I'll read, today I'll write, today I'll whatever. No matter what happened, today I want to write at least one page. Today I want to read at least 2 pages. No matter I don't have time, it's okay. But I really want to write. I really want to speak front of camera, front of people. It's okay. I'm feeling shy. I'm feeling not well. It's funny thing. And how can I speak front of people? And how can I speak? How can I express myself? But still, I have courage. Why? You have to say why I have courage, because I really want to achieve my goal. So it's now, no matter what happened, I don't have time, it's okay. When I go to sleep, so that time I save my half an hour and then I'll do my work. You have to say like this. And how is my video? If you really like, so consider to subscribe. We will meet very soon. Bye and take care.